Most data centers don't have a power waste problem because they're inefficient. They have one because they're blind to it. Nobody can see where the waste is happening because everybody's only looking at one number, the total on the utility bill. A total can tell you how much you spent, but it can't tell you where any of it went. You see, power doesn't go straight from the utility to your servers. It comes in, hits a main distribution panel, splits into sub-panels feeding different rows and zones, then splits again into individual circuits. These circuits are the ones that actually feed your servers, cooling, lighting, and your network gear. That's 3 or 4 splits between the meter and the load, and most facilities only ever measure at the first one. Everything past that main panel is essentially invisible. So here's the part most facilities don't realize. That waste never announces itself. A UPS running at poor power factor doesn't trip an alarm, it just quietly turns power into heat. A rack with a cooling fault doesn't fail, it just draws more and more power to stay stable. A decommissioned server doesn't send a notice, it just sits there pulling energy for a workload that doesn't exist anymore. None of it shows up on this month's bill, and all of it shows up on the next one as a number that's higher than it should be. Now, the industry standard response has been to just watch the total more closely, but that doesn't work because the total was never the problem. It's just where the problem finally shows up. What you actually need is visibility at the level where the waste is happening. The circuit. ICP-USA's PM3133 MTCP is a 3-phase smart power meter built exactly for that. It uses clip-on current transformers, so it installs around existing conductors without cutting a single wire or interrupting power. That means you can add monitoring to a live circuit in minutes. Once it's on, it reads true RMS voltage and current, active and reactive power, power factor, total harmonic distortion, and energy consumption, all accurate to better than 0.5%. Most data centers need this across multiple zones, rows, and major loads, not just one circuit. That's exactly how the PM3133 MTCP is meant to be used. One module per circuit at every point that matters. Do that and you're not watching one total anymore. You're watching every number that made it up. Now, it also communicates over Modbus TCP, so it integrates directly into whatever monitoring infrastructure you already have running, so you don't need a new protocol or any new software. Links to the PM3133 MTCP are in the description below. If this was useful, please remember to hit like or subscribe. We cover industrial automation solutions like this every single week. And if you have any questions regarding anything that we talked about today, please let us know in the comments below, or you can reach out directly to our team at sales@icp-usa.com.